Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off or how to turn on your active status on your Instagram account. Actually, in the previous version of Instagram application we can easily turn off or turn on our active status, right? But in the new version of Instagram application or Instagram account, you don't know how to turn off it or how to turn it on. So don't worry, if you face these types of problem, then this video is only for you, because in this video I am going to show you the updated way for doing that. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, you will need to go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and then search your Instagram, and after that you need to update your this Instagram application first. Okay, if you don't update it, then it will not work. Okay, so just update your Instagram application first, and after it just log in your Instagram account into this Instagram application, and after that just go there, I mean in your profile icon. So let me click on my profile icon in here, and after that you will need to go to the three dot line in right corner, tap on it, and you will see in here settings and privacy. Okay, so need to click on it, and in the previous version we can change it from privacy settings or account settings, right? But in the new version you can't do that. Okay, so for doing that, just scroll down and you need to find out which is how others can interact with you, this option. Okay, so in the bottom of that you can see messages and story replies. So just tap on it, and after that you can see in here who can see that you are online. So show activity status, so just tap on it, and after that you can see I have just turned it on already, so I need to turn it off. So for doing that, just click on it and both setting will be turned off. Okay, so this is the process for turn it off your active status. But if you want to turn it on, the process is same. Just go there, message and story replies, then show activity status, then show activity status in here. Just make sure both are turned on. So by this process you can easily turn off your activity status in your Instagram account easily. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do comment, give like and do subscribe.